Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the part 3 of my video series on OpenCV with Android Studio. Okay guys, so in my previous video I forgot to add some code, and in this video I will write the code, and also I will show you if you get the problem of the camera view. So I will teach you how to solve. I have also created a video earlier in my Android in my channel, so you guys can see from that. I will upload the link in my description. Okay, so that will also be beneficial to you. So what I forgot was we needed to use a base loader callback. Okay, so now all the code here will be running, but we need to use the base loader callback. So what we can do from here, we can say base loader callback, new base loader callback. Okay, so and in here we need to override the method on manager. Okay, so in our own manager connected method, now what we need to do here is we need to use the switch statement, switch uh, command, and in here we can say status, and first case of this will be loader base loader sorry base loader callback dot success. And when it is the success, so we can say camera bridge view dot enable view, and we need to use the break, and the default will be okay. So just cut that and paste it here, and we say break. Alright, so here we have an error if we just need to write this. Okay, so now the code is complete. It's very simple. What we did was, and also what we can do is we can say in our base loader callback. So what we can say in our own resume. Okay, so here what we can write, 1 second, let me base loader callback. Okay, so we just need to initialize it globally, and in our own resume method we can say base loader callback dot on manager connected, and here we can say base loader callback dot success. Okay, so that was it, and I also show you if you get so okay, so let's run the code the application, and let's check if it runs or not. All right, so let's run the app, and yes, here I am still getting blank. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have this image which I am going to show you. Okay, so it is wrong. Okay, it's not getting right. So what we can do here, I show you. So in our on camera frame, okay, so we need to, sorry guys, so here we need to rotate the frame to 90 degree. Okay, so how can we do? So first of all, you can say core dot transpose. Okay, we need to take the transpose, and what we need is first of all source and destination. So first of all, the source mat will be this one, mat 1, and the destination will be mat 2. Okay, and also we can resize our so we can say image proc dot resize, and first of all the source, we need the source one, so we can say mat 2, and the destination. Okay, so here we need mat source, mat destination, size, double fx, fy, and interpolation. Okay, so here we can say first of all the source will be mat 2, the destination will be mat 3, and double fx will be the size, so we can say mat 3 dot size, and next will be fx and fy, so we can set it to 0, and last will be the interpolation, and also it will be 0. Okay, so now we need to flip, so we can say core dot flip, and also here we need a source mat, destination mat, and flip code. So for mat source will be the mat 1, mat destination will be mat 3, sorry, for flip we will have mat 3, and finally we have mat 1, and the last will be the flip code, so we can say 1. Alright, so now let's check if we have the orientation is good or not. Let's run our code. Alright guys, so now let's run the app again. Let's see if it works fine or not. Okay, so now it is showing me blank. Let me see where is the error. Okay, we don't need to release all these two values, and let's remove that and say mat 2. Now let's restart our app. Let's see if the error is gone or not, or if we are still able to see the black screen. Alright guys, so I am still getting the blank screen. Okay, so let's just remove the code here. Okay, let's just set it comment, and now let's save it and let's run the code again. And here you go, you can see the layout. Okay, so in my next video I will show you where the error was. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.